Hey guys, wanna know how to add custom text in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, open up your Wonderset Filmora app and right here on the menu, you can see titles. Click on it. Now you can choose from various customized titles, from default to art titles and so much more. But you can just download it and drag and drop it to this timeline right here. What you can also do is import any default title right here and also customize it through this right side menu right here. So you can make it more glowy, add outlines and so much more. You can also edit your font, your text too, and much more. I'll just show you. And there you have it, super simple and easy as that. You can also rotate, transform and so much more. Right, and that's it. That's how you easily customize text in Filmora. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.